In this video, I'm going to show you how to add downloads to your product. So this is something that you're going to use if you do sell digital downloads, for example. So to add a download to your product, I've already got my product settings open. What we're going to do is come here to our advanced settings again, and we're going to enable downloads. That is then going to add the download section to our product here, and we can go ahead and add our downloadable image, PDF, whatever it is. I'm just going to select an image for this example, and that is then going to upload it here. So when someone purchases this, they're then going to get access to that download. Now, one of the places they will be able to access their downloads in the system, let's just go ahead and save those changes. I'm going to view my website on the top left, and let's just add a empty template quickly. I'm going to hit preview mode. They will come to their account section and they will click on downloads. Here in the downloads section of the website, they will be able to view any and all downloads that they have purchased from your business. So that is how you can add downloads to your products. In the next video, I'm going to go over product actions. I'll see you there.